In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove red wavy underlines in Microsoft Word. If you're seeing red wavy lines underneath words while typing in Microsoft Word, those marks are usually part of Word's spelling and grammar checking feature. They can be helpful when you're writing, but they can also become distracting, especially when you're working with names, technical terms, or words that Word doesn't recognize. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove those red wavy underlines. To begin, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you're seeing the red underlines. Once your document is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the Word window and select the File tab. This will open the Backstage menu, where you'll find different options for managing your Word document and settings. From here, look toward the bottom left corner and select Options. The Word Options window will now appear. This window contains several categories that control how Microsoft Word behaves. From the menu on the left, select Proofing. Inside the Proofing section, you'll find settings related to spelling and grammar. Look for the option that says, Check Spelling as you type. This setting is responsible for displaying the red wavy lines underneath words that Word thinks may be misspelled. To remove the red wavy underlines, uncheck the Check Spelling as you type option. You can also review the other proofing settings in this section if you want to change how Word checks your document. Once you've made the change, select OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to apply the setting. Return to your document, and you should notice that the red wavy underlines are no longer appearing as you type. This setting affects Word's spelling check while you're working, so the visual indicators will no longer distract you from your document. If you only want to remove the red underlines from a specific document or section, instead of changing the setting for everything you work on, you can also use Word's language and proofing options for selected text. This can be useful when you're working with specialized terms or content in another language. Keep in mind that turning off the spelling check also means Word will no longer automatically highlight potential spelling mistakes while you type. If you rely on those reminders when editing, you may want to leave the feature enabled and use Word's spelling tools when you finish writing. And that's how to remove red wavy underlines in Microsoft Word. With the spelling check turned off, your document will appear cleaner while you're typing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,